So today I spent a lot of time on a West Michigan trail filming a story for this week, and it was a really nice day. Got actually kind of warm though.
Yeah, it really did. I was very pleasantly surprised, George, because I've been out of town, so I didn't see our forecast.
Yeah, it's been a nice weekend. A little breezy, cool on Saturday, but all the way around, it's been great for Mother's Day and today. Brief cool down on the way here tomorrow. We do have some showers in sight as well early tonight. That's why the 13 weather ball is blinking bright. It's also blue. We have cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Depending on where you are, you have the sunshine and some haze in the air, or some clouds and even some threatening showers across the region. Temperatures, yeah, warm. Upper 70s, even touching 80 for a while from Grand Rapids southward. It's dropped into the 60s to the north. That's where a cold front is dropping on down. Cooler to the north, warmer to the south and east. Everywhere will be cooler during the day tomorrow. There have been some showers, even some rumbles of thunder. Most of them are to the north now, but more thunderstorms are possible to the south and east. All of these garden variety storms as a low pressure system moves up along this front. This front is kind of hang out for the next day or two, so it'll keep us under the threat of a shower, especially this evening. Maybe a rumble of thunder early tonight off to the south and east. As we get through tomorrow, well, there could be a scattered shower here and there, but for the most part, clearing from the north. It will actually clear skies out a little bit for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and we'll start the day with some clouds on Wednesday, but then clear on out before the next system arrives. Now we're going to be talking this time of year back to some wildfire haze and smoke up into the Upper Peninsula. Yesterday there were some monitors that went into the unhealthy category. We'll see a little bit of haze here tonight and during the day tomorrow, then that'll move out on Wednesday. This is the down by the ground smoke model. We introduced this last year when we had all that wildfire smoke. Anything in the blue category, you're going to start to notice a little bit of smell from the wildfires, and that's going to last all the way into Tuesday night before that pushes to the south on Wednesday, and then we'll get a little bit of a break from that. This is the current air quality. This is the red unhealthy category of northern Wisconsin. That was in the UP yesterday. That's been blowing in this particular direction. Our air quality here tomorrow will be just in the moderate category, so that is at least good news, not the USG. As far as temperatures, we're going to cool off to 65 with a wind coming off of Lake Huron with a northeast wind, but we'll warm into the low 70s on Wednesday and mid 70s on Thursday, with a trend continuing on into the weekend. Long range outlook from the 19th through the 23rd, we still have higher chances for warmer than average readings, and we're usually in the low 70s then, and a higher chance that we'll see more rainfall during that 5-day period. So for tonight, we're looking at skies to mostly cloudy skies across the region, and maybe a chance of a shower at the lakeshore. Up to the north, a shower or two with upper 40s there, low 50s in Fremont and in Greenville, and an early evening thunderstorm not out of the question, but not severe. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, ranging from 52 in Ionia to 56 to the south. 13 on your side forecast. So one briefly cooler day here tomorrow with a high of 65, that haze in the air. A pop-up shower. Dry on Wednesday with morning clouds, afternoon sun, and 72. Dry on Thursday with the haze returning. An overnight shower likely into Friday. Also a chance on Sunday as we hit the mid and upper 70s. Windy with the haze continuing in the air next Monday and Tuesday. More showers the following Wednesday night and Thursday.
Blue skies, clouds, even a little rain in West Michigan.
All in one day, George. Tomorrow, is it going to stick to one weather pattern, or are we getting snow tomorrow too?
No snow tomorrow.
Yay.
We are just going to cool off a little bit here tomorrow, but the warm weather will be returning. Yes, some scattered showers in West Michigan tonight. That's why we have the 13 weather ball blinking bright. It's also blue because some cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Planning on walking the dog this evening like Louie. Going to have a chance of a shower here later on this evening and in the morning hours tomorrow. So James and Janelle, pick your time. We'll drop into the 70s this evening with a green paw, yellow paw late tonight and tomorrow morning. Our green energy report starting with the sunshine tomorrow. Not as much sun tomorrow compared to today. And in terms of winds, winds will be down a little bit. It was a little bit breezy at times today as a cold front is moving down through the area. We have some scattered showers, I showed you at the top of the show, and some scattered thunderstorms possible off to the south this evening. It's a little bit of a cold front front just kind of slips down through the region. This is going to kind of hang around for another 24 hours, so it'll keep us in the chance of a shower during the day tomorrow. To the south and east this evening, there could be an isolated thunderstorm, no severe weather. And then later on tonight, things will calm down and we'll just stay cloudy the rest of the night. And during the day tomorrow, there could be a pop-up shower, but for the most part, it will be dry. Further north you travel, the more sunshine you will see. And then mostly cloudy skies here overnight Wednesday night before the skies clear on out a little bit later on tomorrow. As far as the haze and smoke, we're going to have to talk about that again. A little bit hazy here tonight and during the first half of the day tomorrow. As that front slowly drifts farther south, we will see some of that haze leave us during the day on Wednesday. This is down close to the ground surface smoke, and you can see between tonight and tomorrow morning, we could start to smell a little bit of wildfire smoke, and that'll be the case tomorrow as well. Despite the clouds and the showers, you might smell a little bit of that, and then that will start to clear on Wednesday as that air gets a little bit better and that northeast wind. Nonetheless, air quality today, we're in the moderate category. Up here in northern Wisconsin, it's in the unhealthy category, and that was the case in the UP, but those northeast winds are blowing that down into Minnesota and Iowa. We'll just have moderate air quality again during the day tomorrow. Just take it easy if you're going to be outside. Cooler temperatures with a wind out of the northeast coming off of Lake Huron. It's only be in the 50s over in the Thumb. We'll be in the mid 60s here, warmer toward the lakeshore. And then we'll see low 70s on Wednesday and then climbing into the mid 70s on Thursday as our milder weather returns. Long range outlook though, from May 21 through the 27th, we're right on the very eastern edge of a high chance for cooler than average temperatures, and we'll stay with that higher risk for more rainfall during that 7-day period. Forecast then for tonight, mostly cloudy along the lakeshore. A couple of showers possible early tonight to the north. Possible thunderstorm to the south early and then calming down. Mid and upper 40s north, low 50s further south. Northern areas could be a scattered shower or two, especially this evening. And we'll see temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we could see a rumble of thunder here earlier tonight with temperatures between about 52 and 56 for lows. 13 on your side forecast. Most areas will stay dry tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday as well, with that haze and smoke returning. Overnight Thursday night into Friday, there could be some scattered showers, and then very humid on Friday and again on Sunday with some haze as well and a chance of a shower. Next week will cool off again behind a front. Windy and cool on Monday, followed by a little bit more haze and finally more humidity and a chance of midweek showers next week.
George, what a beautiful backdrop behind you outside on the Weather Deck Live. The leaves on the trees are so green. It just looks like art behind you.
It's been a beautiful month here in West
It
Michigan.
has.
Capped off by a very nice Mother's Day with sunshine. We saw sunshine earlier today, but also some showers. What's ahead for Tuesday? 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We still have some showers in sight, and it's blue. A little bit cooler weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures today skyrocketed to 80 plus away from the lake shore, 73 Muskegon. We made 80 in Grand Rapids, well above last year and well above our average high of 69, above our forecast from last night at 11. We'll try to get back on track here during the day tomorrow. Some scattered showers overnight last night, rumbles of thunder. That's continued into today because we got a cool front right over the greater Grand Rapids area, separating the 60s off to the north now to some 70s and 80s to the south. This is where the background for that front will be. Some scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, and then once the sun goes down, that will come to an end. You can see this evening, this is where the activity will be between now and 8 o'clock, and after the sun goes down, just transitions to a few showers, and for the most part, that is done. Tomorrow morning, could be a couple of scattered showers here and there. It'll be dry in most areas. The skies remain mostly cloudy. And then overnight tomorrow night, we'll see mostly cloudy with a little bit of clearing taking place later in the day on Wednesday here in Grand Rapids. We're going to have to deal with some wildfire smoke now that the winds are turning around to the north and east. This is the haze in the air later on tomorrow that will eventually work its way out of the region during the day on Wednesday as those northeast winds continue. Near surface smoke, this is what you might smell down toward the ground. We can see that increasing overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. So you might smell some wildfire smoke in the air tomorrow. We have some air quality issues coming up over the next couple of days. But again, with those northeast winds, that is eventually going to bring in some at least a more tolerable air quality later on this week. But right now we're in the moderate category, and that is expected to remain here during the day tomorrow, and then slight improvement later on this week. But keep an eye on that air quality index. If you missed it last Friday, we have equal chance of seeing warmer or cooler temperatures from May 25 through June 7th. That comes out every Friday. In terms of rainfall, we have a slightly higher chance, especially from Grand Rapids northward, of seeing less precipitation during that 2-week period. So for tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies to the north, 69 to 70 there. Maybe a pop-up shower early in the day from Muskegon down through South Haven, 68 Holland, 71 in Muskegon. Northern zones, you can expect mostly cloudy to partly cloudy conditions. Upper 60s, a little bit cooler toward Greenville, where you got that wind coming off of Saginaw Bay. And similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, I'm thinking right around 64 to 65. Further south you'll be in the low 70s. There could be a pop-up shower at any time. 13 on your side forecast. We'll climb to 72 on Wednesday, back above our average high. 76 on Thursday. Both those days will be dry. There'll be some rain Thursday night into Friday with some of that haze and humidity returning. Over the weekend, sunny now on Saturday, but I think we have some showers at least in the forecast for Sunday. A little more humidity as well. And then behind that system, we'll cool off again. A little windy. Still some of that wildfire haze in the air on Monday and Tuesday of next week. Wednesday will also be dry, but Wednesday night and Thursday, another chance of at least some showers. But overall, the weather pattern is going to be on the warmer side after tomorrow, and then we'll have to deal with that wildfire smoke and haze.
Thank you, George.